In this short video, I will show how to create an arbitrary waveform on Agilent's 3000 X series oscilloscope and then make modifications to the signal to test for worst-case input signal conditions. Here we show 3 packets of a serial bus signal captured and stored on a 3000 X series oscilloscope. Let's now regenerate this complex signal on the scope's built-in function arbitrary waveform generator. First, press the WaveGen front panel key, and then select the arbitrary wave shape. Next, press the Edit Waveform soft key, and then simply press the Store Source to Arb soft key. That's it. This waveform is now stored in the AWG's memory, and should also be present on the output B and C of our generator that's built right into the scope. At this point, you might use this signal as a stimulus to test a prototype design under various modified conditions. But for now, I'm going to just move my probe to the output B and C to see if this signal is really there. Here we see virtually the same signal being regenerated. Let's now modify the amplitude to test for input amplitude sensitivity. Let's also change the frequency setting to test for baud rate sensitivity. We can also add noise to the signal to test how much noise immunity our design has. In addition to transferring a waveform from the scope's acquisition system directly into the AWG, as I've shown in this video, we can also import a previously stored waveform into AWG memory from a USB memory device. To learn more about Agilent's new InfiniiVision X series oscilloscopes with the built-in WaveGen, contact your local Agilent distributor and ask for a demonstration. Thank you.